Now that I have saved the annotated version of the passage into my Google Drive, I'm going to upload it from my drive into Google Classwork. So where you are going to take this is to Elevator Doc Hub document, and this is where you are going to upload it. Now, as the teacher, I can't show you how to upload it here, so I'm going to use an example class to show you. So how you want to do that, you want to go ahead and you want to add or create. You want to go from Google Drive, and it should be here at the recent section, and so you're going to just add it from there. Remember, you need to have the annotations as well as the questions, and I'll do one more video to show the entire process. So again, you need to upload the annotations as well as the questions, so there'll be two different uploads that you will do. Hopefully that this helps. Make sure that you have both of them there before you turn it in, but make sure you click the turn in button whenever you are done. Thank you.